The drone community has been on the edge of their seats for months, eagerly anticipating any news about the DJI Neo 2. The rumors, leaks, and grainy photos circulating online have finally been put to rest. DJI has officially confirmed the existence of the Neo 2, and it's not just a concept anymore. The drone has cleared FCC approval, a crucial step that signals its imminent release in the United States. While FCC approval might seem like a minor bureaucratic hurdle for most electronics, for drones, it's the final checkpoint before they can take flight on store shelves. This means the Neo 2 isn't just a prototype or a speculative idea, it's a fully realized product, ready for consumers to get their hands on. For those unfamiliar with the Neo series, the excitement might seem puzzling at first. The original Neo wasn't marketed as a groundbreaking, high-end drone meant to shatter industry standards. Instead, it won hearts through simplicity and practicality. It was small, lightweight, and incredibly portable, fitting snugly in the palm of your hand or slipping effortlessly into a backpack. Despite its compact size, it delivered impressively stable, professional quality footage without requiring the steep learning curve of larger, more complex drones. This made it an instant favorite among travelers, vloggers, and hobbyists who wanted a hassle-free way to capture stunning aerial shots. With the Neo 2, DJI isn't reinventing the wheel. Instead, they've taken what worked with the first model and refined it, focusing on subtle but meaningful improvements. One of the most significant upgrades is battery life, a critical factor for any drone pilot. The Neo 2 comes equipped with a 1660 mAh battery, offering a 10 to 12% increase in capacity compared to its predecessor. On paper, that might not seem like a game changer, but in real-world use, those extra minutes in the air can make all the difference. Imagine trying to capture the perfect sunset shot over a beach or a mountain ridge. Those additional 2 to 3 minutes of flight time could mean the difference between nailing the shot and having to land prematurely. What's even more impressive is that DJI managed to boost the battery without adding weight, keeping the drone at an ultra-light 100 grams. That 100-gram weight isn't just a random number, it's a strategic choice that places the Neo 2 well below the FAA's 250-gram registration threshold in the United States. This means no paperwork, no fees, and no bureaucratic headaches for pilots. For travelers, this is a massive advantage. You can toss the Neo 2 into your carry-on without worrying about weight restrictions, and you can fly it in more locations without navigating complex local drone laws. The lightweight design also makes it less intimidating for beginners. There's something reassuring about a drone that feels more like a gadget than a high-maintenance piece of equipment. It invites you to take it out and start flying without overthinking the process. The Neo 2 is packed with features that make it both beginner-friendly and content creator-ready. It comes with full propeller guards for safety, palm takeoff and landing so you don't need a flat surface to launch, and DJI's signature QuickShot AI flight modes. These modes are like having a professional drone operator built into the device. Whether you want a smooth orbit shot, a dramatic pull-away reveal, or a cinematic top-down view, the drone handles the complex maneuvers for you. The result is footage that looks like it was shot by a seasoned filmmaker, even if you've never flown a drone before. For vloggers and social media creators, this is a game changer. Another key factor is price. The original Neo launched at $199, and if DJI can keep the Neo 2 in the same ballpark, it's poised to dominate the entry-level drone market once again. At that price point, the combination of portability, 4K video quality, and DJI's reliable flight technology is nearly unbeatable. Competing drones in this range often cut corners, shaky footage, clunky controls, or limited features, but the Neo 2 delivers a polished, seamless experience from unboxing to editing. Some might wonder why DJI didn't opt for a radical redesign. Instead of overhauling the drone, they focused on refining the details that matter most to everyday users. The ultralight drone market is crowded, with competitors like the Rise Tello, Hubsan Zeno Mini, and even DJI's own mini-series vying for attention. Yet, the Neo 2 carves out its niche by striking the perfect balance: small enough to be effortless, capable enough to impress, and priced so competitively that it's hard to ignore. Timing is another smart move on DJI's part. If past releases are any indication, the Neo 2 will likely hit the market just in time for the holiday season. A sub-$200, palm-sized drone is the kind of gift that appeals to tech enthusiasts, travelers, and aspiring filmmakers alike. With teasers, a potential reveal event, and pre-orders expected in the coming months, The Neo 2 could be in buyers' hands just in time for winter vacations, family gatherings, and year-end adventures. The company has built a comprehensive ecosystem, from high-end professional drones like the Inspire series to accessible, fun models like the Neo. The Neo isn't meant to compete with DJI's premium offerings. It's designed to be an impulse buy, the drone you pick up without hesitation because it's affordable, easy to use, and instantly enjoyable. It's perfect for teenagers making TikTok videos, travelers documenting their journeys, or families capturing memories from a fresh perspective. The sub-250-gram weight exemption in many countries removes a significant barrier to entry. No licenses, no complicated regulations, just pure flying fun. Advances in micro-drone technology have also played a role. 5 years ago, a 100-gram drone couldn't deliver stable 4K footage or decent battery life. Today, thanks to better sensors, smarter flight algorithms, and more efficient batteries, these tiny drones can rival much larger models in performance. The Neo 2 arrives at a time when consumers are more willing than ever to trust small drones for serious content creation, and DJI is perfectly positioned to capitalize on that shift. Of course, DJI isn't the only player in the ultralight drone space, but the competition struggles to match its combination of stability, video quality, and brand reputation. The Rise Tello is fun and affordable, but limited to 720p video. The Hubsan Zeno Mini offers 4K, but feels bulkier and lacks DJI's polished software experience. The Potensic Atom is another budget option, but it falls short in flight time and stabilization. The Neo 2 stands out not because it obliterates the competition in raw specs, but because it delivers a balanced, hassle-free experience that just works when you need it to. It's for the traveler who wants to capture breathtaking landscapes without lugging around heavy gear. It's for the family documenting backyard barbecues, weddings, or kids playing in the park, turning ordinary moments into cinematic memories. It's for the content creator who needs reliable, high-quality footage without the complexity of a professional setup. In a world where drones are often seen as niche tools for enthusiasts, the Neo 2 bridges the gap, making aerial photography accessible, affordable, and most importantly fun.